Good morning all. Let us start today's lecture on solution of triangles. New topic we are going to start, that is solution of triangles. Okay. Solution of triangles, it is important for JEE Advance. Okay. Most of the times they ask in advance, not in mains. Mains rarely you will get. Like here, out of 8 paper, you can find in 2 papers. Like JEE mains also they will ask, but rarely asking question in JEE mains. But you have to prepare, and JEE mains easy questions will be there. Advanced difficult question will be there. JEE mains question till now whatever they ask, they are easy questions. Okay. Now solution of triangle for boards also important. Okay. In that some of the things are deleted. So I will tell you what the part is deleted in the. See here. In solution of triangles, let us see one diagram of the triangle. This is the triangle. Okay. In triangle, we take this is capital A, capital B, capital C. Okay. Capital A, capital B, capital C. So, capital A opposite is called small a. This is forever. Okay. So, capital A opposite side is small a. Capital B opposite side B is small b. Capital C opposite side is small c. These are the length of the triangles. And this is angle A, angle B, angle C. So in triangle ABC, AB are angles. ABC are angles. The length of BC is equal to A. The length of AC is equal to B. The length of AB is equal to C. Okay. So there we can say that length of sides. Now there is the first rule that is called as sine rule. Okay, sine rule. So there are 2 rules, sine rule and cos rule. Your boards have only sine rule, cos rule. For JEE you have more than that. So first rule is I am going to explain sine rule. What is sine rule says? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B, A by sine A, angle A, B by sine B, C by sine C is equal to K. This is what sine rule says. Sine rule says that A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. And this K value is equal to 2R. That is also I will explain, I will prove this. Okay, K value is equal to what? 2R. Are you getting it? Getting or not? So sine rule is what? What is sine rule? A by sine A plus B by sine B plus is equal to, A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. Means this is the ratio of angle and sides. Okay, this is the ratio of angle and sides. How you got this one? Let us drop a perpendicular here. Okay, let us drop a perpendicular here. Consider this whole length was A units. Correct? So here what I want to say here, I will take this triangle. I use the concept of sine B. Okay. What will be the sine B? What will be the sine B? Sine B is equal to what? What is the rule for sine? What is the rule for sine? Sine theta is equal to what? What is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So for this angle opposite is what here? Let us take AD. So AD by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? C. Okay. So therefore, what you got here, AD value, what you got here? AD value, what you got? AD is equal to what you got here? Sine B by C. Are you getting it? Sine B by C you got now? C into sine B. Okay, C into sine B. Right? Now this is you got. Now in this same triangle, in this triangle, which triangle I took here? In triangle ABD I took. In triangle ABD I applied. Now if I take in triangle ADC, if I take in triangle ADC, and I apply sine C rule. What will be the sine C here? Sine C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? AD. What is hypotenuse here? B. So AD value, what you got here? B sine C you got. B sine C. Is it right? B sine C. This is also AD, this is also AD. Then both will be equalated. So what I get here? From this I get as C sine B is equal to what you got here? B sine C. Correct? So if I send sine C this side, C by sine C is equal to B by sine B. I got as this one, right? C by sine C is equal to B by sine B. I'll give time, don't worry. So did you got this? Same way, if I take another perpendicular here, and then if I do, I get as sine A by sine A is equal to B by sine B I'll get. Another one I'll get as B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. If I equalate them all, what I'll get here? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. And that value is equal to some constant. What is this constant? I'll explain. The constant is equal to, suppose this is you have a triangle. This is you have a triangle. Correct? And this is called circumscribing. Circle is circumscribed. Right? Then this is called radius R. So this is the triangle and capital R is nothing but the radius of the circumference of the circle. Sorry, what we can say, what we can say this is, I forgot it. What do we call this? Circumcircle. Okay, circumcircle. So radius of the circumcircle. So here, therefore, this is what we called as sine rule. What is sine rule here? The sine rule says that, the sine rule, it's an important topic which I am explaining you. Okay. So here, ABC is a triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C is given. So here, always we say ABC are angles. Opposite to capital A is small a, opposite to small b is capital B, opposite to small c, capital C is small c. These are called sides. And what is the first rule we are learning? Sine rule. What is sine rule says? A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. How you got this one? Just we have drawn a perpendicular drop here and just we compared this triangle and this triangle. So you got a relationship between the sides and angles of the triangle. That relation is A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. This is called as sine rule. And this K value will be equal to what? 2R. What is R here? This is R. And 2R means what? 2R value how you got? I will explain next. So please note down this, I will explain. Now I will prove that K is equal to 2R. Means what is sine rule says that A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to K. That K value is nothing but 2R. So we can use according to the given questions K or we can use 2R, anything you can use it. Okay. 2R is the right form. Instead of K, 2R can be taken. K value is 2R. Okay. How you got this? Now this is the triangle. Right. And this is the circumcircle. No. Okay. Now this is the vertex A. So capital A opposite is small a. B capital B opposite small b. C capital C opposite small c. Now you know that this is the center of the circle. Let us take center of the circle is O. And you have learned in the class 9 the angle here. This is the radius. This is the radius. And this is also radius. Means two sides are equal. Now you learn in class 9 this is the angle A. Then this angle will be how much? 2A. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle in the remaining point on the circle. So this is A, then this is 2A. Means this angle is 2A. But if I make a perpendicular drop, then this will divides this one into two equal parts. If I drop a perpendicular on the chord, it divides into two equal parts and it will bisect the angle. So this will become A and A. So here this value will be A by 2. This value will be A by 2 because this whole length is A, then is A by 2. According to the sine A rule, if I apply sine A here, if I apply sine A, can you tell me what is sine A here? If this is a right angle triangle, this is sine A, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So A by 2 by R. So what you got here? Sine A is equal to A by 2R. Correct? So A by sine A, how much you got? A by sine A is equal to, you got 2R. So if A by sine A is 2R, then B by sine B, C by sine C will be how much? 2R. Hence, the sine rule has proved. Now we will do the applications. I think for the boards, applications is deleted. Tomorrow lecture I will confirm, I will tell you. So the question is, in triangle ABC, B is equal to 3C and angle C is equal to 90 minus B, then you have to find what is the value of tan B. Chalo bolo sir, fatafat. I will give 1 minute time. Is it okay? 1 minute sufficient? Or you want more? Yes. Come on. So here the answer is follows like this. In triangle ABC, just C you said. Let's wait. Very good, Tanishka. So she is right. C is the right answer. Very good. Claps. Right? Now here you know that B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. This is the rule of sine, right? This is sine rule. So what I can write here, C I will send here, B by C is equal to sine B by sine C. Correct? B by C is equal to, so here he said B is equal to 3 sine C. Okay, you need to get answer here, okay, in B terms. So B, what we write here, B is equal to 3 sine C, I can write here 3C by C is equal to sine B, and here angle C, about angle C they given. What they given angle C about? 90 minus angle B. So 90 minus angle B they given. So you know that sine 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. So C gets cancelled out. So how much you got here? Tan, see here, tan B you got, right? So 3 is equal to, what you got here? 3 is equal to sine B by cos B. It means tan B is equal to 3. Hence, we have solved when it is given for sine rule. Okay, application this is. See here, the question is, in a triangle ABC, if A cos A is equal to B cos B, then we have to prove that either A equal to B or angle C equal to 90. It's like both point of view, otherwise JE also they may ask. Okay, both the chances are there, right? Now see here, what we can say this question, I gave you that A by sine A is equal to B by sine B, and here C by sine C is equal to K. You can take K or 2R, your wish. So A value, what happens? A value will be what? K sine A. Otherwise 2R you take it, no problem. You want to take 2R? Take it 2R. What I get here? 2R sine A. A is equal to 2R sine A. Hello, Sunno first, afterwards you write. And B is equal to what? Tell. 2r sine B. Acha, C is equal to what? 2r sine C. Correct? Is it okay? Chalo. Now I will take the given condition. What is the condition given? A cos A is equal to the given what here? B cos B. Now suno. Just here some practice is required, right? So what I can replace A as? What I can replace A as? 2r sine A into cos A. Here what I can replace? 2r sine B into cos B. R cancel out. This is I can write as sine 2A is equal to sine 2B. Or sine 2A formula na? Sine 2A is equal to what? Sine 2B. It means from this what is the solution you will get? 2A equal to 2B. Or you will get one more way. So this is sine 2A is equal to 2B, sine 2B can be split in two ways. One is 2A is equal to 2B. So 2 to cancel, A is equal to B. That is what you have to prove. I think this is small a, na? I wrote wrong. You see here, cos A you have. Yeah, sides opposite to same angle is same. So A is equal to B. Right? Is it okay? Now what you have? If two in a triangle, two angles are equal, then their opposite sides also equal. That condition. Now what you have another one? Now you have another one is sine 2A is equal to, can I write this one as sine pi minus 2B, 180 minus theta, can I write na? Sine 180 minus theta क्या होता है? Sine 180 minus theta, sine theta. So sine 2B I can write sine 180 minus theta na. From this I can equate this 2A is equal to pi minus 2B, because I need an angle, right? So 2A plus 2B is equal to pi. So A plus B is equal to pi by 2. If angle A plus B is pi by 2, it is a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degrees. So what will be the angle C value? Angle C value will be how much? 90 degrees. This is the end. Okay. Next question है. Yes. In triangle, write down. In triangle ABC, if B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, and angle B is equal to pi by 3, the number of such triangles formed. Then number of such triangles form. Means he is saying that in triangle ABC, angle B is 3, side length B is 3, C is 4, angle B pi by 3, the number of such triangles forms. Triangles are, number of such triangles, how many they forms? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 0, option D infinite. So now this is the question. Tell me answer. Come on, anybody? Swara? तनिष्का चलो बोलते सर मैं बोलता हूँ सुनो I will explain yes so here what I will get here you know that B by sine B is equal to C by sine C, correct? I use different and reverse I will use. Sine B by B is equal to sine C by C. I'll use like this. Both are okay. What is the B is given? B and C given. Angle B is given pi by 3. So I can substitute here sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 by B. B is how much? 3 is equal to sine C by what is C here? 4. Means my target to find sine C. Right? Tanishka is saying 2, but it is not. Sine pi by 3 value how much? Sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3, you know how much or what is the degree? 60 degrees. Sine 60. Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 divided by 3 is equal to sine C by 4. Correct? Okay, sir. Now we will see that answer what you get here. Root 3 by 2 into 2 into 3. Correct? Can I send here into 4 is equal to sine C? Or 4 here I send. Right? Now tell me this is I can cancel root 3 times. Tell me this is I can cancel 2 times. So sine C is equal to how much I got? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is greater than 1, right? How much? Angle C is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. How much? What is the value of 2 by root 3? So 2 by root 3 is greater than 1. Sine any angle will not be greater than 1. Sine range is between -1 to 1. So it is not possible. So this is false. Sine C you got more than 1 degree. So there is no angle which is satisfying this condition. So 0 is the answer. Understood?